welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking the kids out to the park and we're also making a Home Depot run. What's that? Lollipop? Show me. What is it? What color? Pink and yeah, blue. Too cute. Yep. We are here at the park. Wow. Brought pop for chew, chips or Pringles, applesauce packets. I made sandwiches, Danimals, and then, oh, what's this? He brought me an acorn. I think the last thing I brought, some egg rolls. I just made it last night. Okay, you ready to mama? Careful. My goodness. So scary. Yeah, so scary. Don't.
Hi Mommy, hi Loa. Hi, chị Lưa Loa. Up. And that's why Daddy has taken a Red Bull. Yeah.
Up. Oh, go over there? No. We go home. Thank you guys for hanging out with me or with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time.